Section 440.10 of the New York Criminal Procedure Law provides numerous grounds for vacating a criminal judgment. A motion for vacating a criminal conviction in New York can be filed, pursuant to N.Y.C.P.L. Section 440.10, at any time after the entry of a judgment, with the court in which it was entered. In New York, a criminal judgment may be vacated only in limited case, when the defendant can prove, alternatively, that the court did not have jurisdiction of the action or the person of the defendant, or the judgment was procured by duress, misrepresentation or fraud on the part of the court or a prosecutor or a person acting for or in behalf of a court or a prosecutor, or material evidence adduced at a trial resulting in the judgment was false and was, prior to the entry of the judgment, known by the prosecutor or by the court to be false, or material evidence adduced by the people at a trial resulting in the judgment was procured in violation of the defendant's rights under the Constitution of this state or of the United States, or during the proceedings resulting in the judgment. The defendant, by reason of mental disease or defect, was incapable of understanding or participating in such proceedings, or improper and prejudicial conduct not appearing in the record occurred during a trial resulting in the judgment, which conduct, if it had appeared in the record, would have required a reversal of the judgment upon an appeal therefrom, or new evidence has been discovered since the entry of a judgment based upon a verdict of guilty after trial, which could not have been produced by the defendant at the trial even with the diligence on his part and which is of such character as to create a probability that had such evidence been received at the trial the verdict would have been more favorable to the defendant, provided that a motion based upon such ground must be made with due diligence after the discovery of such alleged new evidence, or the judgment was obtained in violation of a right of the defendant under the Constitution of this state or of the United States.